Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone is doing good. Today I've come to repair my car. My car has got some issues, so I have came to rectify it. So I'll show you where I am today. So I've come to Skoda Masterz, guys. So he's having all the Skoda spares and he's doing all the service as well. You can contact him for any Skoda spares or Skoda parts, or any service related to Skoda. He'll get it done. I know this place from past 4 years. I have been his regular customer. You can trust these guys. They get the work done absolutely completely in a really good manner.
Here is my car, guys. It's getting repaired now. He's the mechanic. So what the problem is, clutch got too much shuddering when I was leaving it in first gear, and I got to know that clutch is weak, and the flywheel also is weak. So we are replacing it with a new one. He's having all the new parts. Here is the old clutch.
Hello guys, so today I've got a car. So it is Lara only. It's an automatic Lara, top end, with Android system and full function car. I'll show it to you in a bit. Guys, this is a front view of this car. Looks like a fancy number 2 as well. It's a top end LMK diesel automatic DSG. I drove the DSG, guys. It's plentiful power, I must say. Hello guys, we are in the car now, so I'll show you about this Android system. So how many inches is this one, bro? It's more than, it looks like it's more than 10 inches.
10 inches.
Yeah, it's a top and automatic. I'll show it to you. It's a DSG gearbox. It's in a really good condition. Pickup is really good. Everything is good. Comment down below if you're looking for a used Lara in a good condition. So I'll tell you what is special in this car. It comes with automatic climate control and 12 speakers, 10 airbags, 10 airbags, right? 10 airbags, and driver seat is having electronic seating control, and this is having complete leather seats, brown leather seats. It's really looking cool. I'll show it to you. I'll tell you about Lara. It goes up to a top speed of more than 200 km per hour. This is a diesel 1.9 TDI. It is one of a gem of an engine. I know many Lara lovers are there outside. If you guys are looking for a Lara, comment down below. I'll give you the details. You can take this car at a really good price. You don't have to worry about the service. You can get it done from them itself. They are having a really good garage. I'm getting it done with them from past 4 years. I know these guys. They know their stuff, guys. That's all I can say. So
You want to show?
we'll go there and show. You drive, bro. You. It's having ABS, EBD, and all the option is there in this car, guys. it can compete with, you know, most of the newer vehicles, I must say. The noise of this engine is like fur. I must. The main part, I'll tell you why people love Lara is because of the road grip. It's having tremendous amount of road grip. If you go in 120, 140, and if you're taking a corner, it will follow your words. Not words I can say, but it will follow wherever you point at it. Isn't it, bro?
Exactly.
So he deals with Skoda, Audi, Volkswagen, Benz, BMW, Porsche as well, right? Yeah, Porsche. Almost all multi-brand. If you want manual gearbox, also is having manual Laura as well for sale. You can check it out. It's all gem of a car, guys. You don't get these cars nowadays. It's a wonderful car. Best for long drives. Automatic is best for city drives as well. I'll make a video of how to maintain a DSG gearbox. I know many people are facing issues with DSG. I'll make a video soon.